Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and I never thought I would come across a luxury keyboard until I got this one from Einperr. From the time I felt the weight of this, I already knew I was in for a treat. And then came the unboxing. Everything was included in very nice packaging, and I personally love the branding on everything. Now, when I got to the actual keyboard, I'm telling you, the pictures do not do it justice. This keyboard is so beautiful, and saying it's well made is an understatement. As mentioned earlier, it has some weight to it, which helps it feel quite solid and sturdy, and the keys feel great under the fingers. This is a silent keyboard, so it's much quieter than your normal one, but it makes a sound that is so creamy and it feels like poking into dough as you type. I know that does not make any sense, but you know what? Just take a listen. Did you hear that? Both the sound and the tactile feel make typing so comfortable. In addition to the multitude of lighting modes, I love the flexibility of this keyboard. It's rechargeable and you can connect to your device 3 different ways using either Bluetooth, USB, or wired connection. A quick tip, if you want to connect via Bluetooth, follow the instructions under the second section of the function keys page. Press and hold the channel you want to connect to until it starts flashing rapidly, and that's it. You can connect up to 3 devices, and if you add in the USB and wired connection, that gives you a total of 5 devices that you can be connected to and switch between. So yeah, there's an abundance of options to suit whatever your situation is. If you're looking for a premium keyboard, this is it right here, and that's my point of view.